Here we have a 14-inch by 20-inch rolling vertical swivel head bandsaw. It's unused, it's in really good condition, and we're going to power it up and just show you that it does operate. It's an air operated feed on it. So what we do is we come over here, control, and you can see the head pushes back. Alright, and after that's pushed back, we just put it in neutral position there, and we hit the run. It's currently on 200 feet per minute. We'll hit the forward lever right here. You can adjust the forward speed. Control your air right here. Hit the stop button there. We'll make the head return to its original position. We'll just hold it right there. Also comes with a Trico Spray Master coolant system here, and that cleans off the blade while you're doing your cuts. Also comes with a pint bottle of coolant right here. So the machine does have some minor shipping distress. This cover right here, it was mounted up here on the head here. You can see one of the holder brackets. Well, the holder broke. Here's the other piece right here. So there's two pins that go in there for this cover. Well, you can see where the weld broke right there, right over there. Okay. In addition to that, there's a minor dent on the outside door right here. All right, little paint scratches. It's strictly cosmetic. This part you could probably purchase from Roll Saw, or you can possibly repair it. Has a Heinrich vise, clamp down vise. Okay. Like we said, it's overall it's in really good condition. We tested all the parameters on the digital feed. This is I think it's a Yakusawa drive on here. This is where your input for your air is, your electrical connection. It's 220 volt, 3-phase, 2 horsepower. It's a very nice machine. And we thank you for looking at our product.